Yard King's owner Joshua Nemchin says he's been in the community for nearly 2 decades, and now he's having to start all over with getting new equipment and tools after the brazen theft that he says is valued around $70,000. Now take a look at this. Surveillance video capturing the alleged suspect's vehicle around 4:48 Friday morning. Yard King's owner Joshua Nemchin says they left with his trailer full of tools, as well as a diesel-powered utility vehicle, battery, saws, pressure washers, and everything that he's acquired as a business owner of his landscaping company in Ottawa.
We're GPS and Track, and this story that you just saw happens all the time. Here's a truck, an enclosed trailer filled with about 70 grand worth of equipment stolen. The biggest problem is it's not like you can replace everything inside that enclosed trailer. That's why we have these guys. This is a primary, and this is what we call a backup parachute that would go inside the enclosed trailer. So in the event that they unload it, which will happen, this one is still tracking even though this is on the enclosed trailer. You know where everything's at. One thing is for sure, theft is out of control. If you want to learn how GPS tracking work, especially with GPS and Track where there's no contracts and no monthly fees, just give us a call. If we can't help you, we will definitely point you in the right direction. Also, the easiest way to get a hold of me, especially if you want to learn about our dual trackers, 480-292-9579, or just email me at mike@gpsandtrack.com. See if we can help you out.